Boys, I think I found the next XRP. I'm not even shitting you. You remember when I was telling you for the longest time that XRP is going to go from 20 to 30 cents all the way to all-time high? Yeah, I got another one of those cooking up right now. And you need to pay attention because we're days away from a potential event that's going to make people a lot of money, in my opinion. If you do enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this. So what coin am I talking about? Well, XLM. I've been talking about XLM for probably 5 years now. It's definitely been on my list. I've always talked about XRP more, but you can go look at the channel. I've also talked about XLM. Now, XLM's kind of been a sleeper. I'd like to say it's been a sleeper because there's not been a lot of crazy news about it, but the DTCC, which is this, is going live on the 15th. Now, what this is using is the Stellar network. It's using everything with XLM. I just want you guys to understand the scope of what's happening right now. The DTCC has $114 trillion that's about to flow through the Stellar network, and also a couple other ones. I think they're also working with Ripple, but the timing of this is what really makes me think that this thing's about to go crazy. So let's go over to XLM and check out the chart. So on here, you can see XLM is very similar to how XRP was looking. We had multiple highs. Look, it's honestly kind of baffling. Hold on. I think it might actually be very identical. Let's go to XRP real quick. So this is what happened with XRP. We had 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, and then we finally broke out. You can see what happened after we went to all-time high. And on XLM, you can see we had 1 high, 2 high, 3 high. And I really do believe a big announcement like this, plus a change in sentiment for crypto, would send this thing fucking skyrocketing. And honestly, I really do think that we're gonna push $1. And right now we're at 18 cents. So just do the math. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, a fucking 5x! A 5x in this bitch! It's free money, guys. You know I love talking about free money. But I just don't see a reality where XLM goes down to 2 cents again. I just think those days are over. Just like I think the XRP being at 50 cents, those days are over. I don't think that we're really gonna go much lower. I think we found a really nice base down here in the 10 to 20 cent area. And per the level strategy, you guys know this thing's fucking goated. You can see the last time we had the announcement was, I think the announcement came out where this was even announced with DTCC, was up here. So we went from literally like 13, 14 cents all the way to 30. Insane. We've since rejected. We've came back down, but we formed some nice support. And this is one of those low risk bets, if that makes sense. So with XRP, buying at 20 or 30 cents, it was a no-brainer. Like there really wasn't much downside to that. There was only upside potential in my opinion. I know that sounds crazy, but if you're in crypto, you understand, like there's just some coins, for example, even like Bitcoin, they're just not going to go to 10K again. You're not going to see a $5,000 Bitcoin or a $10,000 Bitcoin again. Those days are over. That's the same thing when you're in XRP at 20 cents. And I feel like it's very similar that we've had a very nice base down here on XLM. I think this is the bottom. And if you're on my app Market Mirror, which is on iOS and Android, if you go to XLM right now, the social sentiment is 91%. People are bullish as shit, and this is pulling from everything. So here's my public bet on what I think is going to happen. So first off, we're going to hit all-time highs again. The all-time highs are coming. We're going to go to 93 cents. It's a no-brainer. I've only seen a few charts like this that are so clean in crypto, and I really do believe even if we went down to this 12-cent area, we are going to bottom, and this is the bottom. There is literally so much upside potential, and if we were to go to all-time highs again, you're looking at a 400% return. Insane. Now, I really do think like retail people that are watching videos, people that are trying to trade, I think they're going to catch on to that. This is kind of similar, in my opinion, how the SEC lawsuit was and how big that was for XRP. And number 3, it just looks so much like XRP. Like I showed you, this is XLM's chart, right? This is XLM pre-DTCC, and this was XRP pre-SEC lawsuit. I mean, very similar, and I'd argue XLM's chart looks a little bit better, in my opinion. Look, call me crazy, but I wouldn't count this coin out is what I'm trying to get at. I genuinely believe that this coin is going to go crazy here soon. And maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, but either way, XRP, XLM, they kind of go hand in hand together in a lot of ways. And if one of these coins is winning, the other one is most likely as well. So look, let me know, which one do you prefer, XRP or XLM, or even buying this? Let me know some of your price targets, and be on the Instagram. I post all of my plays there, and you can get everything automated to your account if you never want to trade again. So I took some XRP longs and some XLM longs, and we automated those to thousands of accounts. If that sounds interesting to you and you never wanted to trade again, you want us to do it for you, then DM us on Instagram. And yeah, if you want to follow what the whales are doing with XLM, be on Market Mirror. You'll get all the data there. Yeah, boys, I'm super excited. I think this coin has an amazing future, and I guess we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys in the next video.